Wave. Good girl. Shake, Zorro. Shake. Shake. Good girl. Shake again. Shake. Good girl. Grasshopper, we're going to learn how to wave, okay? I want you to pick up your hand and do wave. Here, come here. This is, pick up, come on. Up, up. Wave. That's good. I'm going to try again. No, come here. Come here. Come on. Wave. Pick up your hand. Come on. Pick up your foot. Wave. Good girl. Wave. Come on. Pick up your foot. Pick up your foot. Come here. Come here. You will pick up your left foot. Okay. That one? You want to pick up the right? Wave. Good girl. Okay, the right foot. We'll do the right foot. That's a good one. Bobo, you want some seed? We're going to teach you how to wave, okay? Pick up your foot and say wave, okay? So it's like this. Wave, okay? That's wave. Try it again. Wave. Pick up the foot. Wave. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Wave, Bobo. Wave for a seed. Come on. Wave. Good girl. Bobo, can you do it again? Wave. You want another seed? Wave. Come on, Bobo. Pick up the foot. Pick up the foot. Wave. Come on. Wave. Come on, you can do it. Wave. Good girl. Okay, Bobo, we're going to teach you how to shake, okay? You want some seed? Okay, it's sort of like a wave, but it's a shake. Give me your... Okay, no, she's wrong. Okay, give me your... That's a shake. That's a shake, okay? That's a good shake, Bobo. That was good shake. We give you seed. That was good shake. Bobo, shake. Good girl. That was good shake. Good shake. You expected a seed first. Now you got to shake first. That's like a wave, yeah. You want more? Okay, shake. Good girl. That's a good shake. Bobo, wave. Come on. That was a pretty good wave. I want a bigger wave. A bigger wave. Good girl. That was a nice big wave. Good girl. Okay, you want some more? Okay, shake. Shake. Come on. Show me you shake. Shake. Good girl. That was good shake. Okay. Shake again. Shake. Good girl. Good shake. Ready? Bobo, wave. That's a good wave. That was a big wave. Did you catch that big wave? Or was it too far on the other side?
Somewhat behind.
I was afraid of that. That's okay. It was a nice good one. We'll get another one. She's ambidextrous. Did you notice that? Bobo, wave. Good girl. That was a nice big wave. Yeah, she's waving with her right foot. You want to see Zorro? Okay, Zorro, wave. Good girl. That's a good girl. There you go. Yum, yum, yum. Zorro, wave. Good girl. Good girl. There you go. Hey, Zorro, shake. Shake. Good girl. Good girl. Zorro, shake. Good girl. That was good shake. There you go. That was good shake. Zorro, wave. Good girl. That was good wave. That was good wave. Yeah. That was good wave. All right. Bobo, you want some seed? Bobo? Hi, Zorro wants some seed. Okay, come on. Come on, Zorro. Okay, Zorro, wave. Come on. Big high wave. Come on. We want up, wave up. Good girl. That was good wave. That was good wave. There you go. Good wave. Okay, Zorro. Zorro, shake. Good girl. Good girl. That was good shake. It's okay. It's okay. Good girl. Whee. Okay. Bobo, you want some seed? You interested enough to get seed? Grasshopper, you interested enough to get seed? Nobody's interested.
Zorro's still waving. Zorro's still waving.
Are you waving, Zorro? You cutie. Okay, there you go. Oh my God.
She's gonna wave all day long.
Wave. Okay, here you go. I get seed every time I wave. She's still doing it. Oh my God. Okay, that's a good wave. That's a good wave. That's a good wave. Oh my, that is funny.